Welcome to a new episode of AC Cubing. So, in the previous video, I taught you how to solve the standard 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And today, I'm going to teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So, yeah. So, unlike the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, 3x3 Rubik's Cube has corner pieces and center pieces, and the 2x2 has none of that. And it also has internal pieces, as you can see right here, between the core, between these pieces. Okay, so, and then the 2x2 would turn like you would expect, like a 3x3, but you can't do an M move because there's no middle layer, see? Okay, so to the video. So, to the topic. So, first, you gotta mix up the 2x2. Okay, so, like in the beginning, so, like before, we start on the white side, like you did on the 3x3. So, now, first, let's just make this the white layer. So, and also one tip is, making the white layer, you can be very creative of how do you make the white layer. So right now, so this is the white, blue, red piece, which is right here, white, blue, red, and then right next to it would be the white, blue, orange piece, which is right here. So you can turn this over. Well, if you do want to do it on 3x3, you can just turn this over, move this over here, turn this up, and then move this over, and then do it like you do in a normal Rubik's Cube. So now this piece needs to go right here, so we put it right here, and then we move it away, and then move this up and move this over here. So now it's ready. So now we put that in. We've put that in. We need to move this up here, so we can do this, and then this side's done. So something you should know is okay, so these two situations. So there are 7 situations, and here are 2 of them. And with these two, you do a very simple algorithm that will solve the white stickers. Okay? And then the rest of the 5 out of 7, you'll do an algorithm that will make that case into one of these. Okay? So let's start with this one. So now you see the yellow stickers right here. One's up, and these yellow stickers are in a counterclockwise direction. So you hold it like this. Take a moment to examine it. Okay, and do this algorithm. Okay, so that. And for this one, you hold it like this, and then you do this algorithm. And you're wondering, isn't that the same algorithm we use to orientate the corners on a 3x3 on how to solve a 3x3? Yes, that is the exact same algorithm. So So now, you find a case like this. This will be right here. So if you get a case like this, well, it's none of the cases you've seen before. So you can do this algorithm until you get one of those cases. And then if it doesn't work, you can try it on different sides. And it still doesn't work, so you can try right here. And now it works, so you do that. The algorithm to solving this case. And then you see right here. So now, back to this one. So now, once you're done with the second layer, 50% of the time, around 50% of the time, you'll see a bar, which is like this. And then you can match it up with the bar on the first layer you made. And then match it up with that, but that isn't necessary. So, let's just match it up anyway. So now, you hold the bars on the left, on the right I mean, and then do R2. So having the white side facing you, do R2, D2, R prime, U prime, R, D2, R prime, U, R prime. And then you can turn it and see that it's it's solved. But you might sometimes get a case like this where there's no bar. So you can make it face any direction. And you can do that algorithm again. And you'll be guaranteed to find a bar. So you can do that algorithm again. And there, you solved it. So something I forgot to do in the last video was time myself. And time myself how long it takes me to solve the cube in the method I showed you. So the past videos, there were 3 videos on how to solve a 3x3. So first it was the first layer, then the second, and then the third. So I will be using that method to solve the Rubik's Cube and see how fast it takes me. Okay. Well, oops. So, inspection. So it took me about a minute and a half. So for you, it could take 2 minutes. It could take a minute and a half. So yeah, that's for the 3x3. Now for the 2x2. Let's mix it up some more. So I'm gonna use the method I showed you today. So, oops, I keep doing that. So, 15 seconds of inspection. That took me around 20 seconds, but for a person who's just beginning, it could take you around 20 seconds to 30, a minute or 30 seconds. So now, upcoming in the next video, I will show you possibly how to solve a peer mix. Okay, so let's just mix the peer mix up. And then before I finish this, you should hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and leave a like down below. And make sure to leave a comment too. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, it keeps running the time. Okay, so you should have hit the subscribe button by now. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.